Everyone, today I would like to show you some plants in our garden, and especially the bell peppers, that is capsicum. You can see this is a red capsicum. You can see it, how nice it is. The color is so wonderful. You can see the color, guys. This red capsicum, and we have planted cabbage plants here, so they would be growing very soon. And also I would like to show you some of the apple bear fruits. So they have grown so nicely, going very bigger in size. They are very rich in vitamin C, and you can see it. You can see, guys, how nice they look. They are very bigger in size. So, and also the sweet lime is growing bigger. You can see it, so nice. And even see, we have kept this for birds. We can see many number of birds here, very colorful birds. And also I'll show you the fig. Here at the top there is a fig. You can see it. There's a fig on the top. Yes, it's a fig tree or the anjeer tree. And we have more papayas. See, guys, number of papayas. You have seen this earlier, and you can see the apple bear. It's many number. You can see bunch of apple bears here. They're more in number, so you can see how glossy they look and how bigger they are. You can see they would have grow more bigger. This is the average size, but it grows more bigger. So we don't pluck it this time. We will let it grow for some more time. And yesterday we have plucked some chigur, that is tender tamarind leaves. You can see, guys, again they are growing up. This is it has more antioxidants in it. They are very rich in antioxidants. Try to use green leaves as much as possible. As you all know, guys, now COVID-19 is being increasing day by day, so the positive cases are increasing. So I request all of you to be safe and don't go outside, and have vegetarian food especially, and have veggies. And also you can have fish, no issues, but not the other things. But especially fish you can take, and try to mostly avoid non-veg, and in the at least at the containment areas. So this is a pineapple, as we already know, it is nicely growing. So we have also planted this cabbage we have seen, and I'll also show you some other flowers. So this is davana, you can see, and you can see the leaf. Due to summer it has become like this, but you can see this design of this leaf. And also you can see the color. You can see this, how nice flower it is. The color of this is amazing, and even this purple color. And these are the flowers. And watermelon, because watermelon is growing. I have seen tiny of it. I'll show you here. They are the very small, very tiny. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching my video. And also I want to show you some pomegranates. Let me show you. There are many pomegranates here. Many of them. So there are many number of pomegranates. You can see here. You can see there. They're bigger in size. Again, this is for the birds. You can see birds come and eat these guys. And also please provide water and food grains for the birds. I request all of you, please take care of the birds, as well as put and also keep some water for them, because the weather is very hot outside, and it just monsoon, we have entered into monsoon, but it's not that cool. So I request all of you to just arrange some water as well as food grains for the birds. So thank you guys for watching this video. And also finally I want to share the custard apple. Here we have, they growing in the summer also, but you know, so due to the hot weather they are turning brown here, this one, but others are good, quite good. If the monsoon, if we get rain, then I can say that they would grow again nicely. Okay guys, and this is a lemon tree. We have plenty of lemons here guys. And in my earlier video I have shown you the beetroot powder. Again today I want to show you how the the carrot, we have grated the carrot like this, and we'll make it into the powder, and we can use it, we can mix it in any of the curries, or where the our kids don't like, so for them this is the best. You can use it in curries or in juices or in buttermilk. You can add this and you can give it as a flavor. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.